In our patterns section, we have a category called logos, and that's here, shown by the Winter Unlucky. And this is a section containing pre-designed words and phrases, the exact number of which will differ from machine to machine. However, do have a browse through on your machine to see what is available for you. These are great and very useful if you're creating just a lot of instant, ready-to-go things. Whether it's scrapbooking or card making, they're just there ready for you to use. I will choose one of these, let's say Aunt, and now I have various options. You will see, however, that there is a difference to the previous screens that we've seen when loading shapes. One is that the aspect ratio lock is greyed out. We can't actually activate or change this. This means that the width will always change according to the height and vice versa. We cannot apply a seam allowance either, and this is similar across all of the text functions with scan and cut machines. We can't apply a seam allowance. Later in this course I will show you a way that you could add a similar feature using the offset tool in the scan and cut canvas. I also have the option to flip it, so as we mentioned earlier, if you're working on the inside of glass and you want it readable from the outside, it might be worth you flipping that design. I can turn that off as well at any point. I can rotate it if I need to, and I can apply the draw fill function if I want to use that creative opportunity. With everything set, I choose set, and that again is now loaded onto my cutting mat, ready to use as a cutting shape.